Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Love is when the other person's happiness is more important than your own. To love and be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. Love is not about possession, it's about appreciation. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. Love is an endless act of forgiveness. A loving heart is the truest wisdom. Love is the beauty of the soul. I love you not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. Grow old with me. The best is yet to be. Love is a friendship set to music. You are my heart, my life, my one and only thought. At the touch of love, everyone becomes a poet. To love is nothing. To be loved is something. But to love and be loved, that's everything. You call it madness, but I call it love. Love is the greatest refreshment in life. There is no remedy for love but to love more. The heart has its reasons, which reason knows nothing of. Love does not dominate. It cultivates. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. We loved with a love that was more than love. Love is the flower. You've got to let it grow. All that you are is all that I'll ever need. The best proof of love is trust. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. Love is not something you find. Love is something that finds you. The first duty of love is to listen.